and welcome to Maggie's Kitchen. Today we make almond chocolate squares. It's a very simple recipe and it's gluten-free. You need 5 eggs separated, 1 cup or 2 sticks of butter, 1 cup of sugar, 2 teaspoons of vanilla sugar or just 1 teaspoon vanilla essence, 3 cups grated almonds, 1/3 cup of starch or vanilla pudding powder, and 2 cups of grated chocolate. For the topping, you need 1.5 cups of icing sugar, 1 tablespoon of cacao, unsweetened, 5 tablespoons of rum or 3 tablespoons of rum and 2 tablespoons of water. Okay, let's get started. First of all, we take the egg white and beat it until it's stiff. Now we put the stiff egg white aside and take the egg yolks. 5 egg yolks. Put it in a bowl and add sugar, vanilla sugar or vanilla essence, 2 sticks of butter or 1 cup of butter. You can use a little more if you want. Mix it well and then add the grated almonds and the starch. Now we add the grated chocolate. Finally, we add the stiff egg white. Now we have to be very careful not mix it in a hard way, but very softly. Okay, the dough is finished now. We put it in a square tin. Now we flatten the surface. As you can see, I'm using non-sticking baking paper. I preferred to grease tins, but you can use a greased tin as well. We put the tin into the oven. I use a medium heat and it takes about 45 to 50 minutes till the squares are done. Here we are. The almond chocolate squares are baked. Now we make the topping. Here is the icing sugar and I use 3 tablespoons of rum. 1, 2, 3, and 2 tablespoons of water. 1, 2. And now we mix it. Now we add 1 tablespoon of cacao unsweetened. Now we've got a fine topping. Just pour it over the almond chocolate squares. And spread it evenly over the cake. The chocolate almond squares are finished now. If you like the video, please give us a thumb up, leave a comment for us, and make sure that you hit the red button to subscribe our channel. Bon appétit!